Hi, Mom. You must be out looking for Dad, too. I think I have an idea where he is. I'll see you soon.
Thanks for the phone.
Clark, what's going on?
My dad kind of went AWOL. He was halfway through unloading the feed run and just jumped in his truck and took off. I'm sorry, Lana. He's never done anything like this before.
Hey, you know what? It's gonna be okay.
I didn't mean to unload on you like that.
Oh, you never have to apologize for opening up to me.
Lana?
I know this is a stressful time for you.
No, that's not what this is about. Lana, I don't want to look back like my dad and wonder what my life could have been.
Clark, we've tried this once before.
You said there's nothing you can't recover from.
No, I wasn't talking about us. Look, right now, think about your dad, okay? He's the one who needs you.